What's up, guys? So, I'm in New Hampshire, I'm at Washington. That's the train I'm going to be taking down, I think. I took a different one up. It's so loud over here. There's a nice area over there behind Barry. It says this place is home to the world's worst weather. I've seen worse. And this is apparently the tallest mountain that's in New Hampshire, at least, that I know of. There's a bunch that's covered by clouds. It's pretty good. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I have nothing really else to say. Closing phrase.